Vlog 23 Unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here's the box. Looks beautiful. Well made. Much smaller than the previous iPhones, of course, which included an adapter. Opening it is simple. You have to peel off this small thingy at the bottom and the end. Quite a satisfying peel. The moment of truth. iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple. It's beautiful. Best thing about iPhones or Apple products in general are the aesthetics and the build quality, of course. USB-C to lightning cable. Who's that calling? It's my old iPhone. Okay, and we have this pin for the SIM. Actually, uh, in other parts of the world, you still get a SIM card slot for iPhone 14 Pro Max, but in the US, you only have an option of eSIM. Uh, Other parts of the world also do have an option of eSIM and a physical SIM. Hmm. It's just telling about the keys on that paper. Now, before I do anything, I need to take care of this phone even before I switch it on. I need to install a tempered glass screen and a case because the cameras at the back are bulging out. I don't want to keep them on the floor or anywhere else. So most probably I have to keep it facing down, which is on the screen. So I have to install a tempered glass screen. I like this one actually. It has this thingy, this plastic, so you don't go wrong while installing the tempered glass screen. Because usually, if you get it wrong, you have to lift it back again and then install it again. So this one is pretty easy. You just put it up, press it down from all four sides, and then from the center, you just rub your finger, and that's it. I'm gonna wait for a while just to be sure that the tempered glass screen wouldn't lift off when I lift this plastic case. Nice. I guess it's pretty much done. I have to peel this yellow sticker, and internally there's an opening from where you actually push the tempered glass screen. It's not only from the sides, you have to push it from the center. And now you hold the center and then lift up this plastic case. It just came off. There's plastic on top, and voila. It's such a perfect fit. It's so seamless that you don't even know that there is a tempered screen on top. I like it. And there's a few bubbles, and they just go away. Yeah, I just press it, and that's it. The best part is that it's a perfect fit. You don't have to lift it back again, and well, the design is good, but I see my fingerprints coming on the back of the iPhone. Let's get it a cover. I got this transparent cover. Look at those cameras bulging out. Okay. All the way. Yep. Now it's secure. hmm Yeah, the buttons are okay. Should I add this ring? Still thinking. It's a good addition. Mm. If I do add it, I won't be able to wirelessly charge. I would be able to charge it through a MagSafe charger, but not wirelessly. So yeah, forget it. Oh yeah, it turned on. Hmm. Look at the screen. That dynamic island. It doesn't make much of a difference whether it's a static peninsula or a dynamic island. I mean, it's both the same thing. I hope there's use of it. Let's see. Hmm. Just setting it up. I can't find my island mentioned on the list. That's fine. Okay, so if I bring my previous iPhone close to it, it will set up the new iPhone. Oh, that's a nice one. Shall I do it? Okay. So now you get to see my old iPhone. It's an iPhone 8. It's a 2017 launch. End of 2017. And it's 2023. Oh, okay. Works. Okay. I need to get it back. So this iPhone 8 could have worked until the end of 2023, when the iPhone 15 would be launched, but because I had damaged this phone previously, it was damaged by water. I had to replace the camera, I had to replace the charging port, I had to replace the speaker and the mic. The volume buttons weren't working properly, so I guess yes, it's time to change it. And usually, when you do get a water damage, you need to back up your phone as soon as possible and then try to replace it, because you never know when will it just leave you. Okay, I'm not able to bring back that setting thingy, which is to transfer everything by Bluetooth. Or to set it up initially. It's not happening. need a Wi-Fi. Okay, let me just set it up. I like the screen size of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. 6.7 inches as compared to my previous phone, which was just like 4.7 inches. Actually, I think you shouldn't buy an iPhone every year because that'll be a waste of time, and the amount of change that iPhone makes to its products, which is the iteration, is very small. So I think you should wait for 2 to 3 years at least before you change your phone to the next one. Um, Not like me actually, from 2017 to 2022, because this is a 2022 launch. I wasn't able to get my hands on it because it's difficult. Because the production supply in China was halted by the coronavirus, and the whole world was suffering, and they were not able to get the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Dynamic island works. Nice. I like it. I hope there are more functions to it. Mm. Okay. I'll choose the last one, so then I don't have to set up everything in front of you guys. Apple ID. Ouch. Because I just skipped the Apple ID part because I'm putting my password in. So yeah. Okay. Let me just approve it because it's a two-factor authentication. Hmm. It's good to have two Apple products. So I have an old iPhone, I have an iPad Pro M1, 11 inch. And yep, approved. Actually, the iPhone 14 isn't much of an upgrade from its predecessor of iPhone 13 or 12 or even 11. I think it's pretty much the same. So if you have actually 11 or 12 or 13, I don't think you need to upgrade. Yeah, but anything before that, yeah, I guess it's a good time to upgrade. Hmm. Come on. Yeah, that's me in the picture. Okay. Can't get the control center or the notification bar or screen. That's the LiDAR sensor. Hmm. Come on, iPhone, show me the home screen. Later. Apple Pay. Apple's getting into many businesses. Apple Pay. Recently, with Apple Watch Ultra, they have given a hit to Garmin watches. Of course, they can't, but it will take a long time. But yeah, they have started the journey into sports watches. Oh, nice. Finally. Okay, that's the control center. You have to swipe it down from the right. Mm. Oh, that's a pretty bright one. Nice. That's the notification screen. That's the camera. The best part. 48 megapixels. And let's see how it performs. Actually, since like my iPhone 8, or if I'm not mistaken, 7 as well, but from since iPhone 8 onwards until 13, the camera was always 12 megapixels. This is the only time that they have jumped up to 48 megapixel for their main camera. The rest two, the ultra wide and um, the Teddy, they are still 12 megapixels. Cinematic video. Actually, this is one of the best part about the camera. They introduced this in iPhone 13 Pro first, and now in 14 Pro and Pro Max. And previously in 13 Pro and Pro Max, they had it up till I didn't. They had the cinematic, but they didn't have it in 4K. But this time, they're introducing it in 4K. Mm. Getting hold of the new camera. Let's see the pictures that it takes. Nice. Yeah. Mm, that's pretty much it. Always on display. The three massively huge cameras. Beautiful. Yeah. Goodbye. And thanks for watching.